Google has unveiled its latest Android software alongside the launch of the Pixel 10 series, marking a significant step forward in its hardware evolution. This isn't just about new phones. It's also about the software that powers them, including the debut of Android 16, the first quarterly platform release, QPR Beta 1. This update is set to be the last major software release before Google drops its Pixel feature drop in December. The QPR1 beta cycle concluded with the release of Beta 3.1 5 days ago, and the QPR1 release is expected to happen in September. Now, Google is rolling out the QPR2 Beta 1, which includes a new software version, BP41 250725.006, compatible with multiple Pixel devices, including the Pixel 6, 6 Pro, 6a, 7, 7 Pro, 7a, Fold, 8, 8 Pro, 8a, 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, 9 Pro Fold, 9a, and the Pixel tablet. On my Pixel 6 Pro, the file size is 613 megabytes. So it's easy to install on eligible Pixel devices via Settings, System, Software Updates, System Update. Pre-order your Pixel 10 now. The Tensor G5-powered Pixel 10 is already available for pre-order at Amazon with a $100 gift card. Reserve yours before this promo expires. For the Pixel 10 Pro, consider the flagship model with a $200 gift card. And for those craving a larger screen and advanced Gemini AI, the Pixel 10 Pro XL offers a $200 gift card option. The biggest change in Android 16 QPR2 Beta 1 is the new themed icon buttons in the wallpaper style page. To access them, tap the Settings button on your Pixel. Once you reach the wallpaper style page, tap Home Screen Icons. After installing the beta, you'll see three options. Default retains your usual theme, Minimal uses your wallpaper's color scheme, and Create, which as of now just shows a notification saying app isn't installed. If you're considering leaving the beta program to get the stable QPR1 version, you can do so by opting out of the QPR beta program before installing QPR2 Beta 1. To opt out, visit https://www.google.com/android and click View Your Eligible Devices. Then, you'll be redirected to a page where you can opt out. But don't install QPR2 Beta 1 immediately. Wait for the stable QPR1 release. If you've already installed QPR2 Beta 1, don't opt out. Otherwise, you'll be forced to wipe your phone. This is a critical decision. To avoid wiping your device, opt out of the QPR beta program, but once you do, refrain from installing today's QPR2 Beta 1 update. Wait for QPR1's stable release before installing it. This is so important, I'll reiterate it in caps. To avoid having to wipe your device, you can opt out of the QPR beta program. But once you do, refrain from installing today's QPR2 Beta 1 update. Once the stable QPR1 release is dropped, you can install it. Now, let's talk about the Galaxy S25 plus 2 years unlimited offer from Mint Mobile. With Galaxy AI, you'll need a $720 upfront payment. If you make a purchase, you may earn a commission. Check out the offer at https://mintmobile.58dp.net/114063027477915. Subid 1 offers widget. Alan, a veteran smartphone writer since 2009, has covered everything from the original iPhone to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. He's also explored tablets, smartwatches, and smart speakers. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious, there's always something new to discover.